Hi guys, welcome to Tech 360. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Microsoft not working in Windows 10 or 11. So in this case all you have to just here go settings, click on open, go system, choose sound, and you can see here your input device. Make sure your input device is correct and right. Now scroll down, go to app volume and advanced option. Here all of your application and with mic. So if you want to turn this application on and use this mic, you have to go to this default or choose the right mic or audio hardware settings. Okay, so let's say you are using this iTop screen recorder. Now you have to just click on default and choose the right mic, or it would be default. If no problem, that can work. Okay, after that cross this and go here like privacy settings. Under this privacy settings you will find here microphone, this one. Click on this and make sure it's allow apps to access the microphone turned on. Okay, if